Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many of you might find quite useful if you own a Cuisinart coffee grinder. We discovered the Cuisinart DCG-20NLID Replacement Lid, specifically designed for the DCG-20BKN and DCG-20N models. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart DCG-20NLID? This replacement lid is an original equipment manufacturer part, ensuring that it meets the high standards set by Cuisinart. It's tailored exclusively for the DCG-20BKN and DCG-20N models, which means you'll get a perfect fit every time. One of the most crucial points to note is that this lid is not compatible with any other burr mill models, even if they look similar. So, it's essential to ensure you have the right model before making a purchase. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this lid. First and foremost, the durability of the construction is impressive. Made from high-quality materials, the lid is designed to withstand regular use, ensuring long-lasting performance. One of its key functions is to provide an airtight seal, which is vital for maintaining the freshness of your coffee beans and preventing any spills during the grinding process. Installation is another area where the Cuisinart DCG-20NLID shines. The lid is designed for straightforward and hassle-free replacement, allowing you to restore your grinder's functionality in no time. Say goodbye to complicated setups or confusing instructions. Simply swap out your old lid with this OEM part, and you're good to go. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you own a Cuisinart DCG-20BKN or DCG-20N model, this lid is an essential accessory for you. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or someone who enjoys freshly ground coffee at home, having a reliable lid is crucial for ensuring your grinding experience is both efficient and mess-free. There are plenty of practical use cases for this replacement lid. For instance, if you've noticed that your old lid is cracked or not sealing properly, it's time for an upgrade. A well-fitted lid not only improves the performance of your grinder but also helps keep your kitchen clean by preventing any coffee grounds from spilling out. Furthermore, if you've recently purchased a used grinder and the lid is missing or damaged, this replacement will bring your machine back to its original state, allowing you to enjoy your coffee as intended. In summary, the Cuisinart DCG-20NLID replacement lid is a reliable and essential accessory for anyone using the DCG-20BKN or DCG-20N models. Its durable construction, easy installation, and model-specific design ensure that you'll maintain the quality and functionality of your grinder for years to come. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.